Can you believe that all these you can see on your screen, I created them using just one tool, and this particular tool is free of charge. And the good thing is, every day you log into this particular tool, you keep getting free credits. So even the days you don't feel like creating, just log in, you get free credits. So with these free credits, you can then save them and then use them to keep generating and generating and generating. Now this particular tool allows you to generate images, to edit images, to generate videos. It allows for face swap, whether in pictures or in videos, lip sync. Like, there is a lot that you can do with this particular tool, and you can do with your mobile phone. You can do with any device, your laptop, your iPad, whatever device. And I'm going to be showing you how I was able to generate all this you can see on your screen. And if this is your first time here, you're welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I teach you how to use different AI tools for different functions. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Like I always say, it's free of charge, and do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so it can get to a lot more content creators like us. Now the name of this tool we are going to be using is Magic Hour AI. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser. Once you get to your browser, you want to type in Magic Hour AI. Look at it here, Magic Hour AI. Just tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can see this particular icon here, the black one with the white stuff in it. Just tap on it. Okay, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now let me tell you one thing I love about this. Number one, you don't even need to sign up in order to use this. Now the second thing that I really love about this, although me, I'm signed up anyways, but the second thing is you can actually claim 100 credits every single day you log in. As long as you log in, you can claim credits. Okay, for example, when I logged in today, before I even created anything today, I had 248 credits. Do you understand? But I claimed extra 100 credits today. So tomorrow if I log in, I can still claim extra credits. Okay, so I can keep creating. Now let me tap on this G. That's my profile. If you want to claim, you can see here, claimed, come back tomorrow for 100 more. But had it been I've not yet claimed, you see you can reclaim your credits, something like that. Okay, now in order for us to start creating, if you look down here, it's actually very simple. You can see how to create AI images and videos. Pick your tool first, customize your creation, and generate. Like, it's as simple as that. It is very fast, guys. It is very fast, and we are going to look at it together. So the first thing is we're going to tap on Start Creating Free. Okay, now when you tap on Start Creating Free, it has a lot. AI image generator, face swap, image to video, face swap photo, face swap video, talking photo, AI image upscaler. You can change clothes, lip sync, text to video, image generator, all in one tool, guys. So if you want to do it, you can come up here first to where you have explore. Just tap on the drop down arrow there, so you can see video, image, audio, blah blah blah. So for example, if you want to do anything with a video, just tap on this arrow here. Okay, you can see face swap video, image to video, lip sync, talking photo, text to video, video to video, animation. It's a lot. Do you understand? It's a lot. Now the next one is this one, image. You can see face swap photo, image, AI image editor, AI image generator, AI image upscaler, head swap, clothes changer, background remover. It's just a lot, and you can do all this for free. So let me first of all generate an image. So you can see AI image generator. Let me tap on it. Okay, so if you want to generate an image, or this is one image I generated. I want to try to like create a UGC video. Okay, so this is one image here, but let's assume I want to refresh, like I want to create another. Okay, all I just need to do is to come to my prompt here. Okay, I already copied the prompt. Let me show you the prompt that I used to generate this particular woman. So I actually copied it to my phone notepad. So this is it here, right here, a beautiful young woman. So I'm going to tap on it. Let me just tap. Okay, and copy. You can just pause the video to read it, and then I'm going to come here and paste. Okay, so you can see a beautiful young woman with glowing skin in a bright bathroom setting, holding a skincare cream jar. Soft natural lighting, realistic, as simple as that. Then the next thing you want to do is to come to this particular place where you can see 1 by 1, because you want to change the aspect ratio to your preferred one. And the good thing about this is it's going to give you the size. It's going to show you. So in case you do not understand what 1 by 1 is, you can see the box here, a square box. So it's telling you that it will look square-ish. If you tap on it now, you can see 16 by 9, 9 by 16. So 16 by 9 is if you're creating for a YouTube long form video. If you're creating for a YouTube shorts or maybe a TikTok reel, Instagram reel, use 9 by 16. So let's try to use 9 by 16. You can see it has changed it to a portrait style. So it will help you to understand what you want. All you just need to do is to generate your image. And you can see here 10 credits. So imagine using 10 credits to generate this particular image, and it's going to generate 2 images for you. So you can create a lot. So I'm going to tap on generate 2 images. So you can see rendering. Your images should be ready in a few seconds, and trust me, it takes just a few seconds. Can you see? Can you see? Like, it has generated it for us so easy. You can pick any of the images you want. I love this because the first one is covered and the second one shows that she has opened the product, the skincare products, and she's even smiling. So it makes it so real, guys. Another good thing is, in order to make the work easier for you, what you can do is to just face swap, because you notice that the two faces are quite different, but you can use a face swap, because this particular tool has it to make the two faces look alike, and I'll show you how to use that also. I'm just going to tap on download. You tap on that arrow there, you download this. I want to actually download the 2 because I actually love the 2. Okay, you just tap on download. If you want her to be facing the camera, you can still use the prompts to do it. So let me just add, let her face the camera. Then tap on generate. It's actually very fast in generating, very fast. So can you see she's already facing the camera? Okay, this one, they have 2 skin tones, but you can just pick any one, your preferred one. If you feel like you want a darker shade, if you feel like you want a fairer person, use any one. If you want African, self Nigerian, put it there. Do you understand? So let me even say a beautiful Nigerian lady. Let me put Nigerian. All right, like you can use this for basically whatever it is that you want. Can you see? Like, it is so freaking good, so freaking good. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to tap on download. Okay, you just download. Guys, can you see how many images we've been creating? And we still have over 300 credits. If I come tomorrow, I'll still claim 100 more credits. Okay, so that's about that. Now, this is just the image, AI image generator. You can even swap the face. Let's assume I want the face to change. You can make this, you can let it be this same person, but put another face there. So let me just go to Pinterest and download any face, in fact. Okay, let's use this particular lady here. Let me tap on her. Then I'll tap on these 3 dots. I want to save the image. I'll tap on download image here. Okay, so you can see image downloaded. So the next thing I'll just do would be to go there. Okay, and then I'll go back to this place where you can see image generator. I'll come here to where I have image. All right, so you can see face swap photo. Just tap on face swap photo. This is one that I actually generated. Guys, can you remember that my picture that I generated? This is actually the same picture. The only thing is I changed the face using this particular tool. So this is what we are going to do. So you're going to upload your original image, your original face here, then upload the new face you want to swap with. So let me come here and tap on photo library. Okay, so I'll upload it. Let's assume this is the face first. Okay, I'll tap on done. This is it here. Okay, so this is the original face. Now, the face I want to swap it with, I'll come and upload here. So I'll tap on this, tap on photo library. I want to change this face. I want it to be this face, but it's the same person. So I'll tap on done. Just watch what is going to happen. And then I'll come here and generate image. You just need 10 credits. Okay, so I'll tap on it. It's very fast. Like, this thing happens in just seconds. Can you see? So the same person, but it now has this face. Can you notice the face? Can you notice the facial features? It now has this particular face. It doesn't have this face anymore. Can you see? So it is actually very good, very good. So what you just need to do, you can now decide to save. So another one is the AI image editor. So let me tap on image here. You can actually edit images using just text. You just tap on that AI image editor. Now, this particular woman, you can see here, when Initially, she wasn't even sitting on a chair. It was just a torso, like her head and shoulder. So I was wondering, it was this image generator that made her sit and put a flower beside her just by prompting it. Okay, you can see the prompt I use here. I want the woman to sit on a chair, blah, 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 beside a flower pot. So let me bring in a particular image. Let me tap on add image and tap photo library. Okay, so let's see the image we want. Okay, so let's assume we want to use this particular one. Okay, let me tap on this particular one and then tap on add. Okay, now look at her here. So describe what you want to change in this image. So I can put let her, okay, let me use the same thing. Let her sit on a chair. Let me just put it that way. So I'll just tap on, you can see it's still 10 credits that you need. If you want to change the aspect ratio, just come here to auto, tap on auto, and then pick any one you want. So this time around, let me pick 9/16. Do you understand? Let me pick 9/16. So you use 10 credits, just tap on the 10 credits. It will soon be ready. Can you see? Like so smooth. So smooth. And then you go ahead and then tap on download to download. Guys, you can use this thing for anything. I'm just walking you through some things you can do with this easily. Do you understand? Easily. So the next thing, now let's assume I want this photo to actually talk. I'll come back here. Okay, tap on video. So you can see image to video, face swap video, lip sync, talking photos. So let's try to make that photo talk. So just tap on make still photos talk. Okay, so you can see make any picture come alive with perfect lip syncing. Okay, so you can come here to upload. So let me just upload that particular image. Or should we use this one? Let's first of all use this. Let's use this one first. We're going to use that other one too. So tap on done. So you can see her here. We've uploaded. That's step one. If you feel like choosing a preset face, you can actually pick any face that you want. Do you understand? But the thing is, if you want your face to remain consistent throughout your videos, just keep using the face swap, just in case you want that. Okay, so here I'm not going to pick any of these. I want to use this particular face, so I'll just tap on continue. So this is step 2 now. Okay, text to speech. So you can either upload your audio or video. If it's a video you want, if it's an audio you want, upload, or you use the text to speech, whichever one. So if you have the audio in your phone recorded already, just upload. Okay, so let me just tap on text to speech here and then enter my prompt. So let's assume we want her to say hi. Okay, now you want her to say hi. Now once you type hi here, the next thing you want to do is to first come here to select a voice. You can see here, select a voice to use. Now what we have currently selected is a male's voice, which is Musk's voice. We have Zuckerberg, Rogan, Obama. You can see different voices. You have Kardashian, Swift. If you scroll, you will still see more and more and more and more and more. So pick the one you want. So let's just use the very first female voice, which is Kardashian. If you want to even preview, you can type on the tiny play button here. Okay, so let's tap.
Yeah, but in a great way. Like I'll have.
So that's to just preview the voice. So let's use that particular voice. So you just want to tap on this. Okay, now after you must have selected the voice you want to use, what you want to do is to generate the audio first for your text. You come here to this play button right here and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll see preparing, generating audio. Okay, it has already generated it for you. Can you see? You can even play it here. Let me play.
Hi.
Okay, you now come here to do what? To just generate. We need 30 credits to generate this. So you just tap. You can see it's always very fast. You can see creating video, uploading image, uploading audio, creating project, queued. Your video is queued. Now the thing is, once it's rendering, you can always feel free to leave. You can see it's wrote it down here. You feel free to leave. We will notify you when it's ready. Usually it doesn't take time. Do you understand? So once it's ready, they'll just notify you that it's already ready. Okay, so the video is ready. So we can just play.
Hi.
Can you see?
Hi. Hi.
Even the hand even moved. Can you see? Notice.
Hi.
All right, so you just come up here to download the voice. All right, tap on download, and that's it. So let's try to generate an audio for the dark skinned lady. you tap on upload image. All right, tap on photo library. We want to work with this particular one here. I'll just tap on the lady. I'll tap on done. Okay, so you can see her here. So the next thing I want to do is to go down. I'll tap on continue to type in my text. Okay, so I can just maybe type in this is so good. Let me just put this is so good. I'll just tap on it. Okay, I'll just tap on it. Then you come here first to tap on this particular play button. Okay, you can see down here it's done generating the audio, so you can just tap on generate video. Note that the longer your text, the longer credits you would need to generate your video. That's the reason I said even if you know you're not going to be creating it on a particular day, still log in to claim your credit so you can have as many credits as possible. We have just 3 minutes. Sometimes it might not even be up to 3 minutes. Okay, let me play it.
This is so good.
Can you see it's actually very good, and then it matches the lip, like the lip sync is also good. So you just come up here to download it, and that's it. It's very simple. Another good thing about this tool is if you have any questions, the founder is always available 247 to answer your questions. So if there's anything confusing to you, simply ask on the tool and then the founder is going to respond to you. You want to go ahead and start creating now, and let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next one. Until then, bye for now. Mwah.